Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Science Champion. In the previous video, we have discussed about that the current is the flow of electrons. This flow is in the circuit. Here we will learn that what is the electric circuit. Electric circuit is a way, or you can say it is a path in which electrons move from a voltage or a current source. Basically, they are flowing in it. A circuit is a complete but closed path through which electric charges flow. It begins and ends at the same place. Remember one thing, in order that the charges can move through this path, it must be closed and it must begins and ends at the same place. Look at the circuit in front of you. It has source, load, conductors, or you may say that these are the connectors. We can also say this transmission wires. We have control. Source, it is basically the single dry cell, or it is basically the battery or any cell that is providing you the charges. Then you have the load. It is an any electrical appliance. It can be the bulb, it can be the fan, it can be heater or anything else. Then we have conductors or connectors. These are basically the wires, or they are the transmission wires by which the electrons transmit from one component of a circuit to the other one. Then we have control. It is the on off switch. It is also known as the key or a switch. It is optional in the circuit. The purpose of this control is to open or close the circuit. This is the circuit diagram in front of you. For circuit diagram, in order to draw it, we have various symbols for the devices like we use them universally. Here are various symbols in front of you. One by one we will discuss it. First one is dry cell. Dry cell, this is the dry cell symbol in front of you. It has two terminals, positive terminal and the negative terminal. Second one is battery. Remember, when two or more than two dry cells combine, they form a battery. It also has two terminals as well. Make sure that terminals should be opposite to each other. They must be unlike terminals. They do not like terminals are there. There must be positive terminal, then negative terminal, then positive terminal, and then negative terminal. So this is the battery in front of you. Then we have a switch. First one is the open switch, and below that is the close switch symbol in front of you. Then we have load. This is the symbol of basically the bulb we are using over there. So these are the symbols mostly used for the bulb. On the right hand side, these are the most common symbols that we used in our daily life. Wires. A dot in the center is showing you that they are connected with each other, that the wires are connected. And without dot, it is indicating that these wires are not connected. Resistors. We have different resistors, and these are the symbols for the resistors. Like the fixed resistors have the first two symbols. Then we have rheostat. It is a kind of variable resistor. It has these three symbols. We use these three symbols for rheostat. Then we have potentiometer with two symbols, tapped one symbol, thermistor one symbol, and the photoresistors we have this symbol. So there are various symbols we use for resistors as well. Then we have ammeter. This is the symbol for ammeter. When we draw the ammeter in the circuit, we will use this symbol, and this ammeter is always connected in series in a circuit. Voltmeter. This voltmeter is always connected parallel in a circuit. This is the symbol of voltmeter. It has positive terminal and negative terminal as well, and must be connected with the positive terminal of the battery, and the negative side must be connected with the negative terminal of the battery, like you can see over there. Positive terminal of the battery is connected with the positive terminal of voltmeter as well as the positive terminal of ammeter, and the negative terminal of battery is connected with the negative terminal of ammeter as well as the negative terminal of voltmeter. Now this is the test for you. Draw a circuit diagram by using 3 dry cells and 3 bulbs. And then you will draw a circuit diagram by using a battery, an ammeter, a voltmeter and a resistor. Hope you will attempt it.